Today we're making a classic Italian cocktail, the Negroni. I swear, this is like the most polarizing drink in the world because either you love it, I mean, look at this color, or you cannot stand it because Campari is notoriously bitter. It is not like drinking candy. Okay, let's get started. First off, I just want to sip this Campari. Just do a taste test for you. This is the deceptive part. It is like the most beautiful ruby color you could imagine, like liquid garnets. I don't tell you. I mean, is this shocking? Because there's clearly sugar in this, but it like takes your mouth, rips it out, dumps it in a vat of lemons, and then puts it back in. It's like very, 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 very bitter. Going on a tangent here, this recipe is so simple. I only have one trick to show you. It's gonna be a 1:1:1 ratio. So equal parts of Campari, add that into your glass directly. Then we have 1 part of sweet vermouth. I know you have this in the back of your bar someplace, also used for cooking. Toss that in there. This is actually, I did some reading, this is the stronger version of an Americano. So basically an Americano is like this with soda water, but instead of soda water, we're adding gin. So add in an equal amount of gin. There we go. And you're done. No, just kidding. We have to add the ice in now and stir it. You could have also added the ice in first, but you know, play by my own rules here. You can use a swizzle stick or whatever you like, but basically gently agitate until it's cooled. We're not gonna shake it. It's not that kind of drink. Okay. That's good. So here's our last step, but I feel like it's the most important thing. Yes, this drink is traditionally garnished with an orange peel, but we're gonna flame our peel. Take off a piece of that skin, and now you need to use a lighter and you're gonna warm the orange peel up. It's just like flaming brandy if you ever do that. Now, squeeze that in here under flame. So now that it's all warmed up, you're gonna squeeze that into the drink. Slippery suckers. This is like a very thin-skinned orange. Normally they're thicker, so you have some grip, but I'm grabbing juice over here. Back to this bar trick that I'm showing you horribly. There we go. I don't know if you saw that. But there was a flame coming out of there. All right, rub that on the rim. So it's gonna get those nice orange oils out there. Pop it on. The drink is now ready to sip ever so slowly. Look, here's the deal. This is a drink that some people love. Is it my favorite? No. Will I drink this? Yes. Slowly, and I'll admire the beautiful color. It's like the most favorite part for me. Look at that. And if you like this video, check out my strawberry margarita. So fruity, so light and refreshing, but full of tequila, just how you like it. And why not check out my classic Manhattan drink? It is 3 ingredients coming together to make some serious old school magic. Thanks so much for watching, and cheers.